Morning, students. How are you? Are you feeling bored? Not at all. You should not be, because no way is out. The days are passing heavily. Though we do not want to pass these days in this way, but students, it is the feeling of everyone. You need to stay at home. Whatever, students of class 10, already in my last video, the passing away of Bapu, I have completed 2 paragraphs of Unit 1. The text, the name of the lesson, Passing Away of Bapu by Nayantara Sehgal. There we have come across the title Passing Away of Bapu, Unexpected and Sudden Death of Bapuji. Whose name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and whom we call Bapuji or Mahatma. So in this text, Nayantara Sehgal, already I have told you that she had shown her personal reactions, at the same time country people reactions, নিজের ব্যক্তিগত প্রতিক্রিয়া এবং পাশাপাশি ভারতের জনগণের প্রতিক্রিয়া বাপুর মতো একজন মহান নেতা তাকে হারানোর পর জনগণের প্রতিক্রিয়া। আবার সেই হারানোটা ন্যাচারাল হারানো নয়, স্বাভাবিকতা। হঠাৎ করে খবর, বাপু ওয়াজ নো মোর, ইয়োর লিডার ইজ নো মোর, হি ওয়াজ শট ডেড, তাকে গুলি করে হত্যা করা হয়েছে, নেই। তো হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্ড দেন? The country people at first could not believe that this type of happening could take place. They were confused, they were at a loss, they were bewildered, হতভম্ব হয়ে গেছে, হতচকিত হয়ে গেছে। They could not believe, তারা বিশ্বাস করতে পারেনি। তো এই নয়নতারা সেহগালের দ্য পাসিং অফ বাপু, the title Passing of Bapu expresses the death of Bapu. At the same time, this text supplies or provides us the reactions, a variety of feelings emerging during that demise of Bapu. Despair, feeling of despair, hopelessness, helplessness, grief, all these feelings aroused during the demise of Bapu. When the news spread like a flame, spread fast among the countrymen. Okay, so already I have told you that I am reading the text from the page because I have no book at hand. Already I have completed first 2 paragraphs. The first of all, I read the first 2 paragraphs of the Unit 1. I was having tea at home on the evening of 30th January 1948 when I was called to Birla House by an urgent telephone call. The narrator was having tea then when the news of Bapu's death came to her. and it was an urgent telephone call. So the time was evening. Question may arise or question may set in this way. When did the narrator receive the telephone call? The narrator received the telephone call in the evening. Question may be set, what was the narrator doing during the phone call that informed the narrator about Bapu's death? The narrator was having tea. What was the date? 30th January 1948. The date was 30th January 1948. Okay. The next line, Gandhiji had been shot on his way to prayer meeting. So where was Gandhiji shot dead? Gandhiji was shot dead to a prayer meeting. On his way to a prayer meeting. পথে মারা হয়েছে, প্রার্থনা সভা যাচ্ছিল, পথে তাকে গুলি করে হত্যা করা হয়েছে। I was numb with shock and I got into the car. What did the narrator feel when he got the news, when he received the news? The narrator was shocked. The narrator was paralyzed, unnerved for a time being. He himself could not believe the news. At Birla House, Gandhiji's relatives and followers had gathered round the body. When the narrator reached the Birla House, what did she see there? সে সেখানে কি দেখেছিল? The narrator saw the relatives and the followers had already gathered there round the body of Bapuji. At the Birla House, Gandhiji's relatives and followers had gathered round his body. There was silence in the room as Gandhiji breathed his last. There was silence. Why was there silence? There was silence as none could believe the news. The news was so sudden, the happening was so sudden and unexpected that none could believe it. That's why there was silence. A silence shrouded there. Words of Bapuji's death had spread through Delhi like a flame fanned by wind. The idiom is there. A flame fanned by wind and spread rapidly. দিল্লিতে গান্ধীজির মৃত্যুটা, বাপুজির মৃত্যুর খবরটা খুব দ্রুততার সঙ্গে ছড়িয়ে পড়েছিল। কেমনভাবে ছড়িয়ে পড়েছিল? যেমনভাবে আগুনের শিখাতে হাওয়া লাগলে আগুনটা যেমন আরো বেশি দাউ দাউ করে জ্বলে ওঠে, সেই একইভাবে sad groups of men and women had collected around Birla House. But they are the followers and the relatives. They gathered the house, gathered inside the house, inside and outside the house. They surrounded the house. Out of every window, one could see a brown blur of faces. And from every window, from the Birla House, one could see the brown blur. Blur means not clearly seen, hazy, hazy faces dipped in despair, dipped in frustration, হতাশায় ভরা অস্পষ্ট মুখগুলো দেখা যাচ্ছিল বিড়লা হাউসের জানলার দিকে তাকালে। They did not make a sound. Even those who were out, they were also silent. There was an unnatural silence. It was as if time stood for those few minutes. It seemed to the followers and the relatives who loved Bapu, যারা বাপুকে খুব ভালোবাসতো, বাপুজিকে, মোহনদাস করমচাঁদ গান্ধীকে, যারা তার অনুগামী ছিল, তাদের কাছে সময়টা থমকে গেছে বলে মনে হয়েছিল। Because they could not believe, they thought that they were in dream. তাদের মনে হচ্ছিল তারা যেন স্বপ্নের মধ্যে আছে। That's why it was said the time stood for a time being. সময় কিছুক্ষণের জন্য থমকে গেছে। Time stood still for those few minutes. It seemed they could not believe. They thought that they could back the previous time. আগের সময়টা আবার ফিরিয়ে পাবে। তার বিশ্বাস করতে পারছে না যে এটা ঘটতে পারে। Already we have completed these two paras. Now come to the next para. The people were too stunned to speak in the beginning. Stunned means স্তম্ভিত, confused, bewildered, হতভম্ব হয়ে গেছে। What they could say, তারা কি বলবে? In the beginning they could not speak anything. তারা কিছু বলতেই পারছে না। Their throats were choked, গলাগুলো বসে গেছে। Out of grief হতে পারে, out of sudden fear হতে পারে, হঠাৎ ভয় হতে পারে, out of unnatural happening. Later they clamored. Clamor means wildly, cry wildly. উন্মাদের মতো চিৎকার করে উঠল, হাউমাউ করে। Clamored wildly, shouting and crying. চিৎকার করতে লাগলো তারা। It was the outburst of their emotions. Before that, their emotions were suppressed. Now, gradually, when these trance, এই তন্দাচ্ছন্ন ভাবটা যখন আস্তে আস্তে কেটে যেতে লাগলো, when time passes, they realized the happening. They realized their loss and they began to clamor. They shouted, they outcried. Then what happened then? তারা কি করলো? They jostled, they pushed to and fro, সামনে পিছনে ঠেলাঠেলি করতে লাগলো। One another in a stampede. Stampede means পদদলিত হয়ে যেতে পারে। Stampede, they jostled one another in a stampede to push heavily to break into the house, forcibly enter, to enter the Birla house. They pushed one another. তার ঠেলাঠেলি করছিল কেন? নেক্সট লাইন উত্তরটা আছে, to see their leaders for the last time. শেষবারের মতো তাদের মহান নেতাকে, তাদের ভালোবাসার নেতাকে দেখবার জন্য। They calmed a little, তারা শান্ত হলো। They means the pupil, who surrounded the Birla house, who were then who were at the outside of Birla house. They calmed a little. They were quiet. They were made quiet. তো শান্ত করা হলো। কখন শান্ত করা হলো? When it was announced that they would be allowed to see Gandhiji before the funeral. যখন তাদেরকে বলা হলো যে ক্রিমেশনের আগে, দাহ কার্যের আগে তাদেরকে অনুমতি দেওয়া হবে গান্ধীজিকে দেখবার জন্য। When it was announced that they could see their beloved leader, their respected leader before the cremation, before the funeral, they were quiet little. They became quiet. Before that, they clamored, they pushed each other to go into the Birla house to see their leader. Next para. When one is faced with the shock of a loved one's death, one whimpers. This is the general line. A true line which is always truthful. যেটা সবসময় সত্যি। When one receives a sudden shock of death of his near and dear ones, one whimpers. হঠাৎ করে যখন কেউ নিকটবর্তী কোনো ভালোবাসার মানুষের বা প্রিয়জনের মৃত্যুর খবর শোনে বা মুখোমুখি হয়, তখন one whimpers. Whimpers means ফুপিয়ে ফুপিয়ে কাঁদে, low voice, cry in a low voice, ফুপিয়ে ফুপিয়ে কাঁদে, because his or heart became heavy. কেন হেভি হয়ে যায় হৃদয়টা? কারণ প্রথমত সে বিশ্বাস করতে পারে না যে এরকমের ঘটনা ঘটেছে। ফার্স্ট অফ অল, হি or she could not believe the happening done to him, or sorry, caused to him. That's why he whimpers. And secondly, question arises out of situation. What will become of now that he has left me? সে তো ছেড়ে চলে গেল, আমার কি হবে? Even the countrymen arouse this question. তার অনুগামীরা যারা having no blood relationship কিন্তু এত ভালোবাসে বাপুজিকে, because Bapuji was their father figure to the common Indians. সাধারণ ভারতীয়দের কাছে বাপুজি ছিল একজন পিতৃতুল্য লোক। Always stood by them in their crisis movement. বাপুজি তাদের পাশে দাঁড়িয়েছিল। তাদের ক্রাইসিস মুভমেন্টে যখন সংকটের অবস্থা, তখন বাপুজি তাদেরকে পথ দেখিয়েছিল। তাদের মধ্যে নবজাগরণ ঘটিয়েছিল, ন্যাশনালিজম ঘটিয়েছিল তার নন ভায়োলেন্স নীতির মাধ্যমে, অহিংস নীতির মাধ্যমে। That's why these questions arises inside the mind of the common people. সে তো ছেড়ে চলে গেল, এবার কি হবে? What will become of me? আমার কি হবে? That he has left me. Even this was the question of the narrator also. এটা বক্তা যে নয়নতারা সেহগাল, তারও প্রশ্ন ছিল, কি হবে? As if she became guardianless. This was surely the question uppermost in the mind of the mourning people. Mourn, lamenting, sad people. It was the question, these questions, what will become of me that he has left me? This question confused the common Indians because they believed Bapuji or Gandhiji as a father figure. They got him, they received him in all situations, in all crisis moment. That's why this type of question aroused in them. They felt helpless. তারা অসহায় মনে করলো নিজেদেরকে. This was surely the question uppermost, সবচেয়ে উপরে, on the top, সবার উপর, সবচেয়ে সর্বোচ্চ যে প্রশ্নটা, সর্বোপরি উপরে যে কোয়েশ্চেনটা অ্যারাইজ হচ্ছে তাদের মনে জেগে উঠছিল, সেটা ছিল কি, হোয়াট উইল বিকাম অফ মি নাও হি হ্যাজ লেফট মি. দিস ওয়াজ দ্য uppermost question. What was the uppermost question? You need to write this. What will become of me that he has left me? It was the question of the lamenting people, sad people. They looked like lost children. Here, Bapuji was their father figure, and they were the children. Because they were the true followers of Bapuji. They believed in Bapu's ideology. মতাদর্শতে বিশ্বাস করত, বাপুর মতাদর্শ. Believed in Bapu's ideas. They were guided by Bapu's ideas and philosophy. বাপুর মতাদর্শ, বাপুর ধারণাতে তারা পরিচালিত হয়েছিল. And they dreamt of a new India. তারা স্বপ্ন দেখেছিল নতুন ভারতবর্ষের. That's why when Bapuji was no more, they thought they lost their father figure. It was the question in many of our hearts as we sat. It was the question again, who would guide us now? কে আমাদেরকে পরিচালনা করবে? Who will show us the right way to overcome the crisis movement? কে আমাদেরকে পথ দেখাবে যখন আমরা সংকটের মুখে পড়ে যাব? Who will guide us with ideas to make our life convenient? আমাদের জীবনে কে সুবিধা হবে, যে আমাদের কোনটা করলে ভালো হবে, এই জিনিসটা আমাদের কে বলবে? এই ভাবনাগুলো একটা প্রশ্নের জায়গায় থেমে গেছিল, যে হোয়াট উইল বিকাম অফ মি অ্যাজ হি হ্যাজ লেফট মি. আমরা বসেছিলাম, we sat in silence. আমরা নীরবে বসেছিলাম. We were shocked and unbelieving. We could not believe the demise of Bapu, that Bapu was shot dead or Bapuji was no more. We sat in silence. We listened to the broadcast telling the people of India that their Bapu was no more. আমরা মনোযোগ দিয়ে শুনছিলাম. The news of Bapu's demise was transmitted by radio. It was telecasted, informing the people of India their Bapu was no more. So in each one narrates the after effect of Bapu's death. It includes the narrator's personal personal view, personal feeling, as well as the feeling of the countrymen, the common Indians. Now here few questions are there. Choose the correct alternative to complete the following sentences. Gandhiji has been sought on his way to first the Birla House, the author's house, a prayer meeting, a family gathering. On his way to a prayer meeting. Don't say that the Birla House, because Bapu's dead body was kept in the Birla House, where relatives and followers gathered there and sat around the body. But Bapu was shot dead on his way to a prayer meeting. The author came to know of Gandhiji's death by কিভাবে জানলো the narrator? A letter, a telephone call, a telegram, a public broadcast. আমরা দেখেছি সেখানে a telephone call. Okay. Next question, next page. When one is faced with the shock of a loved one's death, one whimpers. Already আমরা পেয়েছি whimpers. Cry in a low voice, whimpers, laugh, clap মানে হাততালি দেওয়া, shout চিৎকার করাটা হবে না. Next question, fill in the chart with information from the text. Date on which Gandhiji was shot dead, 30th January 1948. Place where Gandhiji breathed his last at Birla House. গুলি করা হয়েছিল ওখানে, কিন্তু breathed his last at Birla House. Information given by the broadcast that Bapuji was no more. Statement whether the following statements are true or false. Provide sentences. এখানে state whether the following statements are true or false. Say whether the statement given here is true or false. If it is true, then you should write T. If it is false, then you should refer the code F. Here you need to provide supporting sentence. You should write supporting sentence in within inverted comma. Okay. Some of you have written supporting sentences without using commas, but it is not correct. Okay. The author received an urgent telephone call in the morning. In the morning তো করেনি, false হবে. তো কোন লাইনটা কোট করব আমরা? এখানে লেখা আছে I was having tea at home on the evening of 30th January when I was called to Birla House. Okay, লাইনটা কোট করে দেবে. Pupil attempted to break into Birla House. লোকেরা চেষ্টা করেছিল Birla House এ ঢোকার জন্য. এটা কি হবে? True. আমরা পেয়েছি they jostled one another in a stampede to break into Birla House. House আছে. Next question. The news of Gandhi's death did not shock the pupil. False. True. Did not shock the pupil. False. লেখা ছিল we sat still shocked and unbelieving. Okay, supporting sentence. So we have completed the first unit with questions and answers. Hope this video will guide you, and if you have to know more questions, you should send me in my comment box. Thank you. Be well and stay well.